How to follow someone on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about following someone on Roblox. It's simple and fast, so now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, find the person that you want to follow. For example, let's say I want to follow someone named Lana. So I'll be typing their name, Lana. Let's say I want to follow someone called Sav. So I'll search for their profile and open it. So after you add them as your friends, to follow him or her, go to their profile page and then click on the three dots in the top right. There you will see the option of follow just between the customize name and block user option and tap on follow. Now you can see that this profile has one follower and that is me. So that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you can follow someone on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.